Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you one of my favorite features in Microsoft Edge, and that is called collections. If you are someone who does a lot of research, planning, or just loves staying organized, this feature is an absolute game changer. So let's dive in. So what is collections? Collections is like your personal research sidekick. It lets you save web pages, images, and even notes into organized groups. Think of it as a digital scrapbook for everything you find online. Let's see how to create a collection. First, open your Microsoft Edge browser. Now, click on the collection icon in the top right corner of the browser. It should look like a folder with a plus sign in it. Now click Start New Collection and give it a name such as Research Articles. In the next step, we are going to add some web pages like from the Wikipedia to demonstrate. The first one I am going to add is Artificial Intelligence, the other one for Climate Change, the third one for Space Exploration, and the fourth one for Renewable Energy. Now for each tab, click the collection icon and then click the Add Current Page button. It looks like a plus sign to add the page to your research article collection. Now open a new tab or navigate to a different website called Google, and you can see all our pinned collections remain intact to the sidebar and also to the web page area. You can also organize the collection, like you can add notes to any item in the collection by clicking the Add Note button next to it. You can also rearrange the items in the collection by pressing moving up and down arrow keys as shown here. And that's it. Collection in Microsoft Edge is a simple yet powerful tool to keep your research and planning organized. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.